Good evening and welcome to the oliveboard platform. My name is Maru Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to continue our practice set series. So quickly join in live and share this session across platforms so that other students can also join in with us. And the more the competition, the more the more realistic it will get, right? If you are new to this channel, firstly start with subscribing the channel right away, because we are bringing new content, updated content every day for you with wonderful updates, timely updates, in-depth analysis of everything pertaining to SSC and railway examinations. So this is it. This is the place where you have to be. Hit the subscribe button right away for all the updates. Also hit the notification icon so that you get timely updates of whenever we are live, and do hit the like button. Okay, so today's session again will be a mixture of 20-25 questions of logical reasoning section, and the level is mostly easy to moderate, the kind of questions you usually see in your examinations, and it's a good mix of that. So let's start without any further ado. Hi Dinesh, good evening. Okay, so we'll start with the very first question. But before we start, something important for me, which I need to share with you. So this, the recent CGL. Hi Arga Mitra. So the recent SSC CGL 2024 results have been out, and there have been a tremendous successful journey for oliveboard students. You can see that, witness that for yourself. You can also check out the interactions we have had with both the AIR ones for JSO and for regular. So you can go ahead and check this, and it is for them to say in front of you. You can join in these courses, these live batches, these mock test series from the oliveboard application. So download the updated version right now. And when you download the application, you get one more additional benefit, and that benefit is that right now, currently, you're attending a free session with me, right? Free of cost. We're not charging you anything to teach you on YouTube. But what if this could get even better in the same cost that is free? If it could get even better, the experience could be much richer and the content could get much richer. That experience will be provided to you in the free sessions which are conducted on the application. So there are free sessions which are conducted every Saturday on the applications, which you can come in, watch live, for all faculties, for all subjects. So download the updated version of the oliveboard application and check out those free sessions for yourself. Right, with that, we'll start with the very first question here. A simple number series based question. I'll put on the timer and we'll start without any further ado. So how much time should I give you here? Very easy question. Let's start with 40 seconds. Simple observation is going to give you your answer. Simple observation is going to give you your answer. It's not very difficult. Is it? I think you're right. Absolutely. Good. Correct, Argamita. What about the others? I can see some more students in the session. Please participate and give answers, guys. Put it in the chat box. Make it as interactive as possible. That is what is going to add to the fun. Okay. So now, if we look at the simple explanation, 5 and 18 might not give it away, but 18 and 70 will surely give it away. If you know the tables very well, you know that 18 into 4 is 72. You subtract remove 2 from it. So this is multiplied by 4 minus 2. Try to relate it in the same way here. Is it being relative? Yes. 5 into 4 minus 2 is also giving you 18. Check it here. 70 into 4 is 280 minus 2 will give you 278. So repeat this here and you will get your answer. Now, 8 into 4 will be 32. So unit digit will be 2. Subtract 2 from it. Unit digit will be 0, which is only there in 1110. So option C is my correct answer. Don't have to multiply unnecessarily. Also 200 plus, 250 plus rather into 4 is definitely going to be more than 1000. So it's clear that option C is the right answer. So be smart. It's not always about calculation, solving, being quick. It can also be about being smart. This is a simple linear equation, quant based question, but I'm not trying to teach you quant, as I'm repeatedly saying in my sessions. These questions are actually a part of arithmetical reasoning section of the reasoning part, right? Simple basic arithmetic questions. Good, correct. Hi Smiles, good evening. Is it Smiles? Yeah, Smileys, sorry. Good evening Smileys. Oh wow. So now I understand these students, they wait for the app notification. Yesterday also the same thing happened. I started my class on time and you were waiting for the app notification to come and join these sessions. You should be serious enough to come in here before the app notification hits you, and that is possible if you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon right away, so that before the app notification comes, you have a notification from YouTube and you are here on time. Correct, correct, absolutely right Smileys, very good. That was the right approach. Basically, we can form a simple equation here. Let the cost of one notebook be n and one pen be p. So we can say that 3p plus 6n is equal to 180, and we can also say that Sudesh bought 5 pens. So 5p plus 2n is equal to 116. Now you need to find how much did Mohit spend. So you need to find the value of 6n. Okay, you can need to find the value of 6n. What you can do here is, can you simply divide this by 3? Does that help you? Yes, it will. Divide this equation by 3, you get p plus, no, but then that will eliminate the value of n. That will make the process slightly longer. We need to eliminate p here so that it becomes easy. So we'll multiply this by 5. Okay. So what will we get here? We'll multiply this by 5 and this by 3. So what will happen? So we'll get 15p plus 30n is equal to 900, and 15p plus 6n is equal to 348. Subtract. You subtract the upper one, no? Oh no, subtract this. So this is cancelled. 30 minus 6 is 24n, and 900, 300, 600, 560, 552. So n comes out to be 23, right? Okay, and they are asking you what is the value of 6n. It's 138. Option B is the right answer. Cool. Very good, very good. Absolutely correct. Anonymous, good evening, good evening. Argamita, absolutely right. Good job, beta. Good job. Wonderful. Next, direction based. There is a good chunk of students watching the session and I'm very happy, very touched. Thank you so much for coming here and for watching it live. But then please participate. Try to put in, more input in the chats. Try to give me the correct answers. Whatever you feel is right. If you feel that the time is less, talk to me. Tell me that it is less time. Please increase the timer. I can do anything you want, but provided you give me the feedback. Otherwise, it's useless. Anonymous, I am from Rajasthan. Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Gaurav exits from the back door of his north-facing house. Okay. Any answers so far? No? Okay. So the house is north-facing. So this will be a north-facing. Let's say this is a north-facing house. But Gaurav is exiting from the back door. From the back door means he's exiting from the south. Right? And walks 25 meters straight. So basically he's just going 25 meters straight southwards. Now then he takes a left and walks 36 meters. So he takes a left and walks 36 meters. Then he takes a left and walks 47 meters. So he goes 25 and he goes 22 more. He goes 47 meters. Then he takes left again and walks 36 meters. So he takes a left again and walks 36 meters. How far, which direction is it from his house now? So if this was his house will be a point size object, okay? And this is the end point. What is the distance here? We have already calculated. This much is 25, this whole is 47. Subtract them, you will get 22 here. And in which direction? 22 meters north. 22 meters north. So option A is the right answer. Cool. Correct. Very good. Raj, absolutely right. Good job. Raj and Argamita, both of you are correct. Very good. Excellent. I like it. Next. Ooh, how much should I give you here? 20 seconds? 20 seconds is also a lot. So we have to select the correct relationship which is being represented by this Venn diagram. It's an opposite way of question being asked to you. Fathers, brothers, males, grandfathers, fathers, males, literates, engineers, farmers, mothers, aunts, doctors. What is the best answer here? Anyone? Very good, Raj. Excellent. Absolutely right. Option B is the correct answer, guys. Now, how will you label it? Can anybody tell me? So basically, all grandfathers are fathers and all fathers are males. That's how it is. See, if somebody is a grandfather to somebody, he is definitely a father to somebody, and they are all males. So this is the only most correct answer here. The others will not form this Venn diagram. So option B becomes my correct answer. You're pushing the speed slightly today. 40 is not required, but anyways, fit to you. 40 is too much. Ashish Pal, absolutely right. Argamita, absolutely correct. Good job. Now try this one. Very easy. We had done a similar kind of question in the last class as well. Often confused with Chinese coding. Correct. Absolutely right. Absolutely right, Raj. Perfectly correct. What about the others? Okay. So what is happening here? Looks like Chinese coding. Okay. But if you see clearly, we have 6219 here, 2646 here, but we don't have is here. Is here, but is not here, but there is 2 here. So nothing is common, but still you are having 2. So that means this is not Chinese coding, it's something else. Now you count the number of letters. So this is 6 letters, 2 letters, 1 letter and 9 letters, right? So it's simply number of letters which is being represented. So this is 6 letters, this is 2 letters, this is 4 letters, 6 to 4. Option B is the correct answer. Correct. Absolutely right. Very good. This one is a very good question. Okay. Well, how much time should I give you? 30, 40, 50 seconds I'll give you. But if within 40 seconds you're not able to get a good logic, just leave this question in the examination. SSC shorts. SSC shorts, think again. Oh, I think you're giving the answer to the previous question. Yeah, that is right. I wanted for this question now. No, 6246 was option B, no? No one? Anyone? The first correct answer will be having a special mention in this session just now. No, Mola Naveen. Good try, but no. Okay. Now you can take random guesses. Huh? Ashish Anonymous. No, that's not the right answer. Okay. Let's see what is happening here. So guys are very quick in giving the answers, and that is where they get trapped. See, first thing which is visible is that they are just exchanging their positions, nothing else, right? So the square, the highlighted square will come here, and the circle with another circle concentric inside will come here. So straight away this option gets eliminated right away. Okay, now either you can look for the options which are you are changing only, or if you look at the logic, what exactly is happening here is this right angle triangle is coming down, this arrow is going up, and this triangle is coming here. But it is only the internal figures which are following this logic. See, now this right angle triangle is going on the top, this arrow is coming here, and this triangle is coming here. So this triangle will go here, this right angle triangle will come here, this arrow will come down. So the right angle triangle will be here, the arrow will be here, and this isosceles triangle will be here. Now check. So this is eliminated. These are the only two options which are following. Now which answer will be correct? Now if you observe carefully, the external figures here, the external figures are following a different logic. This hexagon is going here, this square is coming here, and this rectangle is coming here. That's in the anti-clockwise direction. Can you see? Now this hexagon is going here, this rectangle square is coming here, this rectangle is going here. So now this rectangle will go here, so this will be the rectangle here. This hexagon will come here, so this will be the hexagon here. Drawing a diamond instead of a hexagon. And this square will go here. So we can clearly see option A is the correct answer. Yes, anybody who has a problem here? Yes, Raj and Argamita have given the absolute correct answer. Good job, guys. Good attempt. Okay. Next. Okay, that's quick. And that's absolutely right. Very good. Argamita SSC Shorts, anonymous. Absolutely correct. Good job. What is happening here? So 19, 16 minus 3, 10, 7 minus 3, 16, 13 minus 3, but this is not following that logic. This is the reverse. Okay, and 16, 11 plus 5. Oh, sorry, this is reverse. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Only option D is the one which is not following the logic. I'm giving you 40 seconds for these questions, but that's more than sufficient actually. Oh, okay. Okay. You can take up whatever approach you are comfortable with, provided you get the correct answer. Harish Pandey, absolutely right. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Good job. What about the others? See, if you know your cubes correctly, you will easily figure out 223, 350, 590. This is somewhere close to cubes. 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube. Just check what is it. 6 cube plus 7. And here this is 7 cube plus 7. This is 8 cube plus 7. So definitely the next has to be 9 cube plus 7. 729 plus 7 is 736. So option A is the right answer. Next. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't go for digit addition. If nothing works out, only then think about the digits. Okay. If nothing works out, only then think about the digits. Otherwise, avoid digits, because specifically in SSC examinations and specifically in SSC CGL, the digit based questions and logics they have totally stopped asking that. So they are mentioning a very huge paragraph that there is no digit based calculation involved. Only consider them as full numbers. So avoid logics with digit based calculations unless nothing else is working. If nothing else works out, then you think about digit based applications. Okay. Now this question was a cakewalk, I believe. There is nothing difficult here. Right? They are asking you what is opposite H. So here we have I as the common factor, one phase common. We go from clockwise to I to EA. So we know that what is opposite to what? H is opposite to at the rate. Correct. Very good. Sweet, huh? You guys are making at the rate in the chat box. Very good. I like it. Okay. Blood relations. It's okay, Anonymous. Absolutely fine, not a problem. See, I am not putting a timer here to put some pressure on you. I am not asking that at this stage you should be at this level. No. The timer is here so that there is a flow of this session. Otherwise, if I'll not put the timer, maybe I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes or maybe sometimes more to solve a question. When I start getting answers from all the students is when I discuss the question. But that will limit us. In an hour, we'll only be able to solve maybe 10 questions. So to avoid that, I'm putting a timer here. As of now, don't feel the pressure at all. You focus on getting your correct answer. Even if it is slightly late, don't worry. Okay? Or you can watch the recorded version of this session, pause it, then take your time to solve it, then check the correct answer. Right? As of now, focus on accuracy, not on speed. Saloni is the daughter of the only son of Karthik. So, Karthik, only son of Karthik. Saloni is the daughter. Nirupama is the mother of Deepak. Yamini's only son Ankit is married to Nirupama. Nirupama is the mother of Deepak and Yamini's only son Ankit is married to Nirupama. Karthik is the paternal grandfather of Deepak. Paternal grandfather of Deepak. So if we connect these two, can we call this as Ankit, this as Nirupama, Deepak will be here and the paternal grandfather is the maternal grandfather. Does it make sense? How is Karthik related to Ankit? Karthik related to Ankit, father? Option D is the right answer. Okay? Correct, very good. Yeah, then it's fine, Anonymous. Perfectly fine, not a problem. Take your own sweet time. No pressure from my end at all. I am happy with those students who take time but give me the correct answer rather than those who solve it quickly and then make an error. But with all due respect, you can make errors also. It's not about that. I am a very chill person, don't worry. Just take your time and solve it aram se, without any problems. Okay, I'll give you 50 here. Oh yeah. 50 is sufficient. Good. Absolutely right. Anybody who does not understand anything can let me know. My God. Again the same problem. The number of people who are watching the session and the number of likes, the tally is not matching. Is there something wrong? Am I doing something wrong? If not, then please hit the like button. And share it with other guys also, okay, other aspirants also. Share it with your fellow aspirants, your friends. You might be part of a lot of Telegram groups. Put it there so that other students can also come in. Those who are specifically looking for English content. For Hindi, we have the separate Hindi channel. You can join that. But if you're looking for English content exclusively, come here. You will not get it anywhere else. Come on, let's solve this one. What is the code for frugal? The code for crowd is 234. Anybody who is giving me the answers? No one? Any attempt, any try? Okay. See, Crowd is coded as this. Now, if you see, C2, 3, 4 is not making any sense. R, O, W, nothing is coming here. If you come from the back, C4, so we can say 3 plus 1. R2 is still not making sense. Okay. So, if nothing is making sense like this, firstly, what should come to your mind is there is a long number string. That means each letter is coded by some number. That is for sure. This is not addition or subtraction. The other thing is think about reverse letters. So, if I take reverse position of C, I'll get what? I'll get 24. Can I see a 24 here? Yes, I can see a 24. For R, I will have a 9. Can I see a 9? Yes, right next to it, I can see a 9. For O, I should have then had a 12. Do I have a 12? No, but I have a 15. What does that mean? I'll come back to this. For W, then I will have a 4. Do I have a 4? Yes, I have a 4. And for D, I'll have a 23. Do I have a 23? Yes, I have a 23. So what is happening is they are just reverse place values are written in the flip order. Except for O. Now, this can be the middle letter also. So check it here. But there is no middle letter here. But there is I, which is written as the same way. Others are all reversed. That means the vowels are written the same place value. And the consonants are reversed. And the word is flipped. Okay, these are the different logics which are being applied here. So they are asking you the code for frugal. So for F we have 21. For R we have 9. For U we have for U we will have 21 only because it's a vowel. So 21921 in the end. 21921 is only here. So option C becomes my right answer. Okay. In coding decoding based questions, always remember whatever is given to you, check it completely, letter by letter. Even if you know the logic till the end, still check it out. So that when you're actually solving the question, you can save time by only looking at 1 or 2 answers and getting your correct answer. Done? Perfect. Option C is right. Next question. Okay. Good. High school pass gamer, SSC shorts, Argamita, Raj. Everybody is giving the same answer. Let's check. I believe mostly that's the right answer. So again, I've told you multiple times, letter cluster series, 99% check for corresponding places. So 20, 18, 16, 14, minus 2. So 12 will be your next answer. So this is gone, this is gone. Now LG, don't check for the second position, directly check for the third position. So 6, 10, 10, 14, 14, 18. What is happening? Plus 4. So 18 plus 4 is 22. So last will be B. Option D is the right answer. Next. Oh, this I think now you can do, because I've taught this to you in the yesterday's class. Those who know, they know. These days it's very popular, no? IYK. Venkat Sai Gurram, Mola Naveen and Harish Pandi. Absolutely right. You guys were also right in the last question. Now try this one. I don't think so. See, the timer is long gone. Anyone? I am not sure. I think you are close, but I am not very sure that is the answer. Yeah, Argamita, you were not there in the in yesterday's session. I had taught this yesterday. So this is a previous year SSC question. Okay, I had told you the story also. Probably in 21 or 22, most probably in 22. SSC had in their tier 1 examinations, almost in all the shifts, had given one question from this category. The question was find the missing number, find what will replace the question mark. And everybody got confused at what this is. This was a formatting error. This was a typing error, a formatting error. They had set it in a particular format, but the spaces got erased and it converted into this. So what does this mean? What will you see? You will see 3 numbers on the top, 3 numbers on the bottom, and you will see 9 numbers below. So for every 1 number from the top and bottom, you have 3 numbers in the middle. What is this? This is this 48, 42, 18, 8 and 14. This is one set. The next one is 63, these 3 and 9. So we have 63, 45, 15, 21 and 9. And the next one is 56, this and 17. Make sense? Now you have to find the correct answer. In these questions, missing number based questions, always remember when there is a figure of this sort. So mostly the outer numbers, there is some operations happening and you are getting the middle number as your answer. Now see, if you add all of them or you subtract all of them, either which ways you are not going to get 18 directly. So something else is happening. So try to work diagonally. If you check here, 48 divided by 8 will give you what? 6. And 42 divided by 4 will give you what? 3. And if I multiply this 3 and 6, I get what? 18. Okay, let's try this here. 63 and 21, if you divide this, what do you get? 3. 45 and 9, if you divide this, what do you get? 5. And you multiply these two, you will get 15. So the same way you have to do it here. 56 divided by 8 will give you 7. 51 divided by 17 will give you 3. And 3 and 7, if you multiply, you will get your answer as 21. Clear? Arey, don't be sorry, it's absolutely fine. Vaibhav, I am not sure about that. I think they have not yet started with the new mains mocks. Not yet. So usually the mocks come as per demand. So right now CGL Tier 1 for 2025, that is going to be live. I mean, so they'll regularly bring on mocks for that. For Tier 2, they will start once the Tier 1 is over or we are towards the Tier 1 ending phase. Right? So that is what is going to happen. So if you're trying to attempt mocks for Tier 2, most probably you will be seeing old mocks only. Okay? Vaibhav. Hopefully that answers your question. And hopefully this is clear to everybody now. So if at all, by any chance, if you see something of this sort again, you should understand quickly that this is just a formatting issue. You can reformat it and give your answer. Next. Okay, what about this? Very easy. If you can't get through it, if you are not able to get something, I have always told you, write the place values below it. So 2, 1, 3, 20, 5, 18, 9, 1, 5, 24, 6, 23, 2, 21, 6, 24. What is happening? So 2, 5, we are adding 3, 1, 24, we are subtracting something. 1 is also 27, 27, 24 is minus 3. 3, 6 plus 3, 20, 23 plus 3, okay. E2 minus 3, R I minus 3 and A minus 3. So it's clearly visible. The vowel is reduced by 3. Consonant is increased by 3. Right? Find for wounds. So W plus 3 is 26. So we'll start with Z. This is gone. The next is O. O minus 3 is L. So this is gone. The next one will give you your answer. So next is U. 21 minus 3 is going to give you 18. So R. Option A is my right answer. Okay. Correct. Very good, Argumenta. Vaibhav, my dear Vaibhav, I understand Tier 2 mock is important than Tier 1, but Tier 2 2024 is over. The results are here. Now Tier 1 is going to come up. Okay, I understand why you're trying to ask me this is because I think your preparation is fairly done. You are ready with your preparation and now you want to appear for 2025, right? But you're already done with Tier 1 level, so you directly want to practice Tier 2. For that, I think, I'm not very sure, they might release some practice mock tests, but I'll have to talk to my team members about it. But as far as I understand, whatever exam is upcoming, that is what you will start seeing the mocks for. So sit for the live mock test. It happens every weekend. Sit for those, you'll get a better understanding and much better practice. Weber, works? So Tier 2 mocks will get regular when you reach Tier 2. That is what the case is. Okay, I understand your concern. Don't worry. Next. "30 seconds is too much for this question. Give me an instant answer, guys. Come on. Yeah, Weber, sure. I'll do that for you. Don't worry. Oh God. Oh God. 310 is such a good score, you can't believe it. It's just because of the cutthroat competition these days. A lot of students are pushing very hard. See, trust me, you scored 310 in the mains this year, you're going to knock it out of the park next year. For sure. Take it from me. And that is what has happened with a lot of students. Last year, they were very close. They could not clear it. So this year, they put in more efforts. They got another extra year to prepare. And they were much better and much more readier than they were before. Every little nick was covered. And that is what you have to do now. Okay? Don't worry. You will get there. I'm very sure those students who have missed the mark by very few marks, they are the ones who are going to clear the CGL 2025. Okay? But just don't get demotivated. I know it's easy for me to say, but keep pushing. Be very positive towards it. Okay? Now in these questions, always check the options. The first option, the first word has to be either 1, 3, 4 or 3. Okay, so 1, 3 and 4. Check between petitionary, petition and petitioners. So petition is common everywhere and petition 3 is going to come first. So I think option C is the right answer. That's it. Oh no, sorry. My bad. 3 is going to come first. So we eliminate option A and option B. Now 3, 1, 3, 1 is there. So check for the third position between 4 and 5. You'll get your answer. Petitioned and petitioners. So petition, petition, E, E, R and D. Petitioned is going to come first. So option C was the correct answer. But any which ways. Okay. So from the options you can eliminate and get the correct answer much quickly. 152 is also not bad, yeah. I mean, if normalization and all would have happened, no, you could have bumped up and got cleared into pre. But I think you are from the, which category are you from? Argamita, I am assuming it's a UR category, right? That is why the issue. Cutoff was 153 only, no? God, you were so close, yaar. Feel so. Anyways, don't get disheartened. See, a lot of negativity is going to go around. And I have seen whenever a celebratory video is added. See, I'm just chit-chatting with you, okay? Whenever a celebratory video is added, that okay, wow, we have gotten selected. A lot of students who get selected. Because of repeated failure, a lot of students get so negative deep within their heart that they start cursing the system. They start cursing the people. They start cursing the people who have successfully cleared the examination. All they have is a lot of hatred and frustration within them. And it's very sorry to see them in this state. Don't fall into this trap. Trust me, repeated preparation is what is it going to take, and is going to take you there. So I know disheartening, it is disheartening. You take your time, grieve, but then come back with a bang. Okay, bounce back stronger. That is what is required. That is what resilience is all about. Okay, easy question. You want to find the water image. So water image for D will remain the same. So this is not the answer. For F, it will be same in the 3. For N, this one is Z, so this is not the answer again. For N, it is the same. For Z, it is the same. For S, it is the same. For R, it will decide. And for R, it is going to be that one, not this one. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Next. Syllogism. Lakshmi Kushwaha, absolutely right. Ashish Pal, good. Venkat Sai Gurram, absolutely right. Now try this one, guys. Syllogism, very easy question. Correct. So all flowers are beautiful, and Vaidehi is beautiful means all Vaidehi is beautiful. Now Vaidehi is a flower, not necessarily. They are not connected. I don't know the relation between them, so there is no definite conclusion which I can draw. Some beautiful are flower, absolutely right. So only conclusion 2 follows is option A. Easy. Absolutely easy syllogism based question. Next. Paper cutting and folding. Easy question. 40 seconds is too much. Symmetry is going to give it away. Absolutely right, Argamita. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Good job. Lakshmi, absolutely right. Venkat Sai, absolutely right. Very good. Right? So it's a clear-cut winner, I mean. There is no explanation needed here. So if you look at the symmetry, what is going to happen is it's going to open up something like this, right? So when you're going to flip it open here, 2 circles will be here. Then this whole quarter will come down here. So we'll have 2 circles here and 2 circles here. Similarly, we'll have 2 circles here, then we'll have 2 circles here, and we'll have 2 circles here, and we'll have 2 circles here. That's what is going to happen. There is no circle in between. Okay, and here also you'll have to check for the symmetry. How many lines will be there? 8 lines. So this is not following, and this is extra lines here. Option D is the only correct answer due to symmetry. Always go for symmetry here. Symmetry is going to give it away. Lot of times you will get your answer merely by looking at the figure. You don't even have to do anything. Just have to be confident enough. Embedded figures. Again, 30 seconds is a lot here. Instant answers you can get. Ragul SP, yes, correct. Very good. Now try this one. Wow, that's fast, Argamita. Very quick. Excellent. अच्छा लक्ष्मी, आप हिंदी मीडियम से हैं, बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. मैं लक्ष्मी चाह के भी हिंदी में नहीं बात कर पाऊंगा क्योंकि ये इंग्लिश चैनल है. अगर आपको यहाँ से पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, आप इस चैनल पे बने रह सकते हैं. वरना नहीं, अगर आपके पास हिंदी से ही पढ़ना है तो ऑलिव बोर्ड का हिंदी चैनल भी है, आप वहाँ जाके भी पढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है, वहां पे भी बहुत बढ़िया हमारे सर पढ़ाते हैं, शशांक सर। चलो आ जाओ, लेट्स चेक दिस नाउ। सी वेयर इज दिस एम्बेडेड? This is the figure we are looking for. It's right here, guys. Nothing else you need to check. Yeah, come on, so easy. Next. Oh. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, most welcome. Yes. Question number 20. Very easy math of based questions. You just need to substitute the signs and get the correct answer. Okay. Argamita, absolutely right. Again, good job. That's very quick. Yes. So at the rate means addition. Dollar means division. Hash means subtraction. And percent means multiplication. So this is 8 into 7, 56. 29 plus 56 minus 22. 63. Done. Next. Pillars. Don't let the momentum fall, guys. Be energetic. Don't lose enthusiasm. Okay, if we assume there's a repeat pattern going on, what will we check? Anyone? Wow, Ragul SP, absolutely right. Very good. So what will you see? You will see L is followed by Z, then there is a gap and then there is C. We have a Z gap C here also. So most probably we'll have an L here, then we have a Z, then we have a gap, then we have a C. Okay, we have an L here, so we'll have a Z, then we have a gap, then we have a C. So the gap is with X. So we have X here, we have X here. Okay, and after C we have V. So there is a V here, there is a V here. Now check for this. Check whether this exists in your options. LX, VX, VZC. LX, VX, VZC, ZXC. This is your answer. And what is the repeat pattern? LZXCV, 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 LZXCV. Option A is my correct answer. Observe the pattern from the given fillers as well and then simply identify your answer. Oh, this is easy. Very easy question. Correct, correct, correct. Ragul, Argamita, Lakshmi and Ashes. Absolutely right. Very good. Try this one now. Right. Correct, correct, correct. Absolutely correct, Argamita. Very good. Ragul, absolutely right. Good job. What is happening here? Simply a subtracting 41. Nothing else is happening. 4 minus 1 is 3. Only here you have 3 at the unit digit. I told you in the beginning only. It's a very easy question. I know it will take time for you to calculate, so giving you 50 seconds. Not worth it, but still. Okay, time is almost up. Okay, Argamita has given the answer. It's absolutely right. Very good, yeah. Good job, bacha. So what will you see here? You need to check what do we need to apply. Most probably division is going to help you. Okay. Now 60 divided by 48. So it will give you 5 by 4. Always it will be an integer mostly because they're all integers here. So this is not possible and it is not even flanked by a multiplication. So this will never be your answer. Now the next division is between 48 and 36. Again the same problem. This is 4 by 3. No multiplication. This is not your answer. Same here, multiplication here. So we have 60 into 48 divided by 36. So this is 4 by 3 and this is 20. So this is 80. This is 80 now. Okay. 80 plus 6. 86 minus 15. 86 minus 15, it can never be 53. This is the only possible answer. You can check it quickly now. 60 plus 48 divided by 36 into 6 minus 15 should be equal to 53. And if I check it, I'll get 8 here, 68. 68 minus 15 will give me 53. Option B is the correct answer. So here always remember, hunt for the division. That is going to help you because mostly the numbers are going to be divisible because they are going to yield integers. And apart from that, always go for partial calculation and quick calculation. Don't unnecessarily drag into it. Right? And no need to completely solve it. This is also easy, but since it's sitting arrangement, I am giving you 50 seconds now. Okay, Ragul has given me an answer. Let's check. Amit, Gaurav, Hatim, Varun, Yukti and Zaid. They are how many people? 3 and 3, 6. 6 people sitting in a straight line facing north. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Gaurav is 4 to the left of Amit. So we have Amit here. We have 1, 2, 3. Gaurav is here. So Amit can either be here or here. Right? Yukti is sitting at one corner. Hatim is 4 to the left of Yukti. If Yukti is sitting at a corner and Hatim is 4 to the left, then one thing is for sure that Yukti is sitting here, Amit is sitting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gaurav is sitting here and Hatim is sitting here. Correct? Zaid is third to the right of Gaurav. Gaurav 1, 2, 3. Zaid is here. And there's only one person left. That is, who's left? Varun. Now the question is, who is second place to the left of Zaid? Zaid 1, 2, Hatim. Option C is the right answer. Correct. Argamita absolutely right. Ragul absolutely correct. Argamita correct. Good job. Harish, just check it once. Harish, just check it once. Hopefully it's clear now. So with that, I'll terminate the session here, but don't go away. I have a bonus surprise for you. Okay. But before I give that to you, all I want to tell you is that we are conducting these live sessions on every Saturday. As I told you already, these free sessions are conducted on the application every Saturday. That is tomorrow you'll be having a session again at 4 p.m. in the evening or probably 5. I'm not very sure with the timing. So you can check the timing and attend these sessions free of cost, not only for my session, but there will be session for every subject every Saturday. So just go ahead and check that. Detailed understanding of the concepts, topics, practice, everything is taken care of with a much better interactive approach. And this is a bonus question. Do not answer it here. Do not answer it here. Take a screenshot of the screen. Okay. Solve this question and put the correct answer in the offline chat box. Offline means once I end this session, I want to see in the comment box the correct answers from all of you. Okay. And you can also add in feedback. If you're liking the session, You can write something positive. If you're not liking it, mention what is what you would want more, and I definitely take care that we improve on that. So on that wonderful note, I'll take your leave. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. This is me signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Absolutely. It's my wish, Argamita, is going to happen. Don't worry. Most welcome, Dinesh.